Hello there, my name is Keelan. I'm with the Visuals by Impulse Client Success team, and today I'm here to show you how to edit the brand new package that you just purchased. First off, you want to get your package onto your desktop. I've already done that. Today I've selected the Pixel Storm Animated Stream package. That has what's known as a .psb file setup. Basically, all it allows you to do is it allows you to edit multiple PSD files within one file. Let's go ahead and get started. Once you get your package on your desktop and extract it into a folder, here's what it's going to look like. Let's head to the PSDs file, and let's start opening up everything inside it, and let's get started. Alright, we've got everything opened up, including our contents.psb file. In here we can edit things such as the colors, the social media information, and your username. Let's go ahead and do that right now. So first off, you want to go ahead and double click the T next to the username, and enter in your username. I'm going to use VBI right now. So then, you'll notice that it's not centered, and it's going to look a little off. If you want to just press Ctrl T, hold Shift, and drag it over until you get this little purple line in the middle showing that it's lined up. Once done, press Enter. Now let's start on the socials. Let's open the folder by pressing the little arrow across. Do that again for number 1. And let's use Twitter. I'm going to enter it in VBI because that is VBI's Twitter. If you have a different Twitter, go ahead and enter it in. Or if you have a different icon you want to use, just open the icons folder and select whatever icon you desire. I'm going to go ahead and edit the rest of the icons, and I'll catch back up with you. So once you're done editing your social media and username information, you may notice that the social media icons are a little spaced out differently and they generally don't look good. Let's go ahead and fix that. Press left click on number 1, press Ctrl T, hold Shift, and drag it over beside the Twitch icon. Let's do the same for number 2. Let's hold Control, make sure 1 and 2 are selected. Press Ctrl T and hold Shift and drag it over beside number 3. Let's do the same for number 3. Hold Control, make sure 1, 2, 3 are selected. Press Ctrl T and let's hold Shift and drag them over. Once you're happy with the spacing, just simply press Enter. Close the socials folder, click on it, press Ctrl T, and drag it to the center of the screen. Once that's done, you'll notice that your username and social media informations are now centered. Let's head to File, and let's head to Save. It's going to edit all the open PSD files, including your contents.psb file. It's just going to save it out. If you're on Windows, you can do Control S to save it out, or if you're on Mac, it's Command S to simply save. Once yours is done saving, we can just exit to the contents.psb file. We'll head to our profile picture right now. You'll see that it's a circle. Quickly to save it, you just go File, Export, Quick Export as PNG. What I tend to do, I just quickly replace the files that are already in there. So we'll see c.png is what we currently have open. So just double click that, click Yes, and it's going to save on top of it. Let's right click this little circle right here, click Disable Layer Mask, and then we're going to disable the circle. Once again, press File, Export, and Quick Export as PNG and replace the square. Simply saving out your profile art. Next, let's go ahead and save out your banners. Go to File, Export, Quick Export as a PNG. And this is your YouTube banner. Let's go to Profile Art and save the YouTube banner. Now you may be asking, how do I get the smaller banners? We're going to make use of the crop tool here. I'm going to click it, and we're going to go to this little top line, and we're going to hold left click and drag it. Once done, press Enter. File, Export, Quick Export as a PNG, and there's your Twitter banner saved out as well as your Twitch. Once again, we can use the crop tool and crop it down to these lines, fitting Facebook. We're going to go to File, Export, Quick Export again, and boom, that's all your profile art saved out. Now if you head to your screens.psd file, you may notice that the socials aren't centered to the left as they are in the preview images. Let's quickly press on the socials folder, press Ctrl T, hold Shift, and let's drag them over to the left. Once done, press Enter, and they are aligned to the left. To save the offline screen out just as the previous, File, Export, Quick Export as a PNG, then let's head to the Screens folder, Static, and Offline and replace the file. It'll just be like that for the rest of the PSD files. Just quickly export them and replace the current files. Now that you've got the package all edited within Photoshop and ready to go for your streaming software, you may need further assistance on setting everything up. Head over to support.visualsbyimpulse.com, where we've got a range of articles to help you set everything up successfully. Let's head over to the technical section, and everything will be listed here. If you need any further assistance, feel free to reach out to us at the chat widget on the bottom right. Just simply enter in your question and we'll get back to you.